Welcome to Schneider Haus. We are one of the Region of Waterloo museums situated in downtown Kitchener, and today you're here to visit our new Discovery Space. The Discovery Space is made up of two areas. The upper space is a maker space. We have a lot of recycled materials and arts and crafts materials, small motors and electronics, so you could build pretty much anything in this space. The lower area is an immersive play space. It's more for imaginative and free unstructured play. We know that messy play and unstructured play is so important because it really helps children unleash their creativity.
Messy play and unstructured play is an activity with no goal. So you have materials out that kids can interact with, explore, enjoying the journey of exploration and discovery and curiosity and learning and being a kid.
When you come, there will be new activities, new toys, new interactives, and in the makerspace especially, there will be different challenges and things happening every single weekend.
All kids that are 4 and under are free. You can buy a family pass to the museum for $16, and that would get you entrance into Schneider Haus as well.
Kids especially light up when they see this space. We're very excited to see children enjoying themselves in here.